Mopresidente wa maloba o latlhegetswe ke kgetsi e nngwe gape kwa Kgotlatshekelo. Kgotlatshekelo ya molaotheo e laetse gore a dirisane le ditheetso tsa komishine ya Gazondo.
Mr. Jacob Zuma is ordered to obey all summonses and directives lawfully issued by the Judicial Commission of Inquiry into allegations of state capture, corruption, and fraud in the public sector, including organs of state. 5, Mr. Jacob Zuma is directed to appear and give evidence before the Commission on dates determined by it.
Kgotlatshekelo e laetse gape gore Zuma ga ana tshwanelo ya go se arabe dipotso.
It is declared that Mr. Jacob Zuma does not have a right to remain silent in proceedings before the Commission. 7, it is declared that Mr. Jacob Zuma is entitled to all privileges under Section 3 sub 4 of the Commissions Act, including the privilege against self-incrimination.
Gape o kgadilwe ka mafoko a bogale ka go nna nyaditse molaotheo le melao ya Aforika Borwa.
The Commission itself was established by him in terms of the Constitution. It is therefore unacceptable that he is the one who frustrates its investigation. This conduct is in conflict with the constitutional order chosen by the founding fathers and mothers of this nation. We must remember that this is a republic of laws, where the Constitution reigns supreme.
Kgotlatshekelo ya molaotheo e tswelela pele ka gore Presidente wa maloba o ikgatolosa molaotheo o a ikanneng gore o tla o sireletsa.
The former president's conduct is a direct breach of the rule of law, which forms part of that Constitution. In our system, no one is above the law. Even those who had the privilege of making laws are bound to respect and comply with those laws.
Zuma o laetse go duela ditshenyegelo tsa semolao tsa komishene le tsa babueledi ka bobedi.